Okay, really nice 6 days KTM EXC 500 just come in. Very nice clean bike. Like it's had a lot of hard use. We haven't cleaned it yet. We'll give it a clean. So wheels look good. Tyres look virtually new. Got a nice anodised gold sprocket there. So it's got the triple clamps on it because it's the 6 days version. Switch gear, clocks, different map settings, electric start and kick start. Handguards on it. Again, front wheel looks really nice and clean. So for the year, this really is a very good one. Nice brake pedal there, clutch lever was the same, little guard there for the disc. It's got the Akrapovic exhaust, which is a nice little extra. Road registered. Starts up nice and easily. It's got a little choke on it, hitting the way up there, a little bit hard to find. So you've got a really nice noise to it. Recently been serviced, gone over properly.